The Digital Seance, where code conjures creativity. Hello, fellow mortals. Chris Hardwick here, your guide into the digital unknown. Today we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence, where lines blur between human ingenuity and machine-made mystery. AI is here, crafting art, composing music, even writing stories. But what happens when our creations become creators? Imagine algorithms birthing paintings, symphonies from silicon circuits, and stories spun by lines of code. This isn't science fiction, my friends. This is the new reality, where digital ghosts walk among us. Is AI a tool, a partner, or something more profound? The answers are complex. Join me as we explore the eerie side of artificial intelligence. The line between the real and the fabricated is thin. The future of creation is here, and it's watching. Prepare to be amazed, and maybe even a little terrified. Painting with algorithms. AI as the new Picasso? The art world, once uniquely human, is now a playground for AI. Algorithms are becoming digital Da Vincis, creating art that challenges our definition. Imagine feeding a machine thousands of images, then watching it generate a masterpiece. These AI artists push boundaries, experimenting with forms and concepts. They blur the lines between reality and imagination. Is AI a tool, an extension of the artist's will? This question leads us down a rabbit hole of philosophical debate. Symphonies from Silicon AI, composing our soundtracks. Music, the language of emotion, is no longer solely a human endeavor. AI is composing symphonies, crafting catchy pop songs, and even writing film scores, all with minimal human intervention. Imagine an algorithm analyzing thousands of hours of music, absorbing the nuances of melody, harmony, and rhythm, then using that knowledge to generate its own compositions. The results can be astounding. AI-generated music can evoke a range of emotions, from joy and excitement to melancholy and fear. It can mimic the styles of musical masters or forge entirely new genres, pushing the boundaries of what we consider musical. But here's the spooky part. Can a machine truly feel the emotions it's conveying through music? Can it understand the heartbreak in a minor key or the exhilaration of a soaring crescendo? Tales from the machine. Can AI write the next bestseller? Storytelling, the oldest form of human expression, is now being explored by artificial intelligence. AI algorithms, trained on massive datasets of text and code, are churning out everything from short stories and poems to screenplays and even novels. They can mimic the writing styles of famous authors, create believable dialogue, and even weave intricate plots. Imagine a world where your next page-turner is penned not by a human author, but by a machine. It's a world that's closer than you might think. Some AI-generated stories are so well written, they're indistinguishable from human-authored works. But can an AI truly understand the human experience it's trying to capture in its stories? Can it replicate the nuances of love, loss, betrayal, and redemption, emotions that lie at the heart of great storytelling? This question cuts to the core of the debate surrounding AI's role in the creative arts. Section 5. The Mimicry Game. How AI mirrors human creativity. Here's the thing about AI. It learns by mimicking. It devours massive datasets of human-created content, art, music, literature, you name it, and uses that data to identify patterns and relationships. Then, like a digital parrot, it replicates those patterns, creating something that appears creative but is ultimately derivative of human input. This raises a fundamental question. Is AI truly creative or simply a sophisticated mimic? A master of imitation but lacking the spark of originality? The answer, my friends, is as complex as the code itself. On one hand, AI can only create based on the data it's been fed, which is inherently limited by human experience. On the other hand, the sheer volume and complexity of data AI can process allow it to make connections and generate combinations that humans might never consider. Section 6. The Uncanny Valley of Creation. When AI art gets weird. Ever get a shiver down your spine when something seems almost human but not quite right? That's the uncanny valley, my friends. And AI art often stumbles right into it. Sometimes AI-generated art, music, or writing takes a turn for the bizarre, creating something both fascinating and unsettling. It might be a painting with distorted faces, a melody that sounds slightly off-key, or a story with jarring plot holes. These mistakes can be intriguing, offering a glimpse into the inner workings of the AI's creative process. These glitches in the matrix of AI creativity highlight the fundamental differences between human and machine intelligence. They remind us that while AI can mimic, it can't truly replicate the complexities of human emotion and experience. Section 7. Who owns the ghost in the machine? Copyright and AI. The legal landscape surrounding AI art is a tangled web, my friends. If an AI creates a painting, who owns the copyright? The programmer who wrote the code? The user who input the prompts? The AI itself? It's a question that courts are grappling with as we speak. Some argue that AI-generated works shouldn't be eligible for copyright protection, as they're not the product of human creativity. Others believe that the creators of the AI, or the users who guide its creative process, should be recognized as the rightful owners. This legal gray area raises profound questions about the nature of ownership and authorship in the age of AI. It forces us to rethink traditional notions of creativity and intellectual property. Section 8. The soul of a machine. Can AI truly feel and create? Here's the million-dollar question. Can AI truly be creative? Can it feel the emotions it portrays in its art, music, and stories? Or is it simply a sophisticated tool, mimicking human creativity without truly understanding the depths of human experience? The answer, my friends, is shrouded in mystery. Some experts believe that true AI sentience is still a long way off, while others argue that we're on the cusp of creating machines with consciousness and emotions. The possibility of AI achieving true sentience is both exhilarating and terrifying. It challenges our understanding of consciousness and forces us to confront the ethical implications of creating machines that can think and feel for themselves, especially if they can create art that rivals our own. Section 9. Digital Ghosts and the Future of Art. A haunting collaboration. One thing's for sure. AI is here to stay, and its impact on the creative arts is only just beginning. But rather than fearing this digital disruption, we should embrace the possibilities it presents. Imagine a future where human artists and AI algorithms collaborate, each bringing their unique strengths to the creative table. Humans can provide the emotional depth, the nuanced understanding of the human experience, while AI can offer its vast processing power, its ability to explore new forms and experiment with unconventional ideas. This collaboration could lead to a renaissance in the arts, a fusion of human ingenuity and machine creativity that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. It could usher in a new era of artistic expression, where the line between the real and the artificial becomes gloriously blurred. Section 10. Facing Our Fears. Embracing the Potential of AI. The world of AI is a bit like a scary movie marathon, right? Exciting, intriguing, and yes, a little terrifying. But just like those horror flicks, The real thrill isn't about being scared. It's about confronting the unknown. AI's foray into the arts raises profound questions about the nature of creativity, consciousness, and what it means to be human. It's a journey into uncharted territory, and like any good expedition, it comes with its share of risks and rewards. So, let's face our digital doppelgangers head-on. Let's explore the eerie side of AI with open minds and a sense of wonder. For it's in the shadows that we often find the most illuminating truths. The future of creativity is here, and it's waiting to be discovered. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a date with a Ouija board and a chatbot who claims to be Shakespeare. Stay curious, my friends.